I was a teacher before I became the owner of Spaulding Decon Plano. I was subbing in my last school district for 3 years trying to figure out what should happen next. While that was happening, my husband was struggling with kind of the same journey. The company he was working for was also letting him down, and he started looking into franchises. I didn't think I was very good with business when I did it before, when I worked in advertising, so I was not on that path with him at first. The person who was helping us find the right franchise, donuts and nail shops, pizzas and things like that, when he showed me the brochure and the information about crime scene cleaning, I couldn't stop thinking about it. Researched it for 3 months and found that I might just be a good fit for this franchise, and it has turned out that I am. If you're starting a business all by yourself, you have no roadmap, you have no support, you're having to figure all out on your own. I like that model, that you buy into something and then they show you how to do it, and then you have support from there on out, because your success is their success, so there's always support there to help you keep moving forward. The training is 10 days or 2 weeks long in Tampa, Florida. I felt like it prepared me because we're not just in a classroom looking at PowerPoints about protocols for biohazard and meth labs and hoarders and mold remediation. We went on hands-on jobs as well, and that's my favorite kind of training, because this is a very hands-on kind of job. You're not going to sit at a desk. So that was very meaningful to me, to go out and actually cut the carpet and wear the biohazard suit and see how the waste removal process happens. I want to go home and see my family, but I kind of wish I could stay here and just keep learning. I'm kind of sad that training's over, but I'm excited to go ahead and start applying what I know and making this happen. Spaulding Decon is an exciting franchise simply because of the work that we're doing. I think that's what the draw was for me. It doesn't hurt that it's lucrative, but the thought of doing something different every day. Monday will never be like Tuesday, Tuesday will never be like Wednesday. I thrive on that. I mean, I like routine and protocols. I don't like monotony. Being the teacher who became a crime scene cleaner, I did that shock value. When I tell people what I do, they go, "What? Why? You had summers off. Why? You had 2 weeks off at Christmas. What?" I haven't not gotten a shocking reaction to that yet. My name is Deidre, and I am the owner of Spaulding Decon Plano in Texas.